Alright, welcome. In this video we're going to attach a camera to a path around an object. Okay, so here we're in a new scene. We're going to maximize the viewport. I'm going to place a default teapot into the scene. Okay, so here's our teapot. We're then going to go to our spline objects within shapes. Okay. And within splines, I'm just going to use a simple circle. Okay, with this circle, we are then going to add a camera to the circle. Okay, so cameras are here. There's three different types of cameras. I'm going to use a target camera. Okay, I'm going to make it so it sort of points in the direction of my teapot. Now, really important, we attach the camera to this circle that we've drawn. So we're going to go to Animation, Constraints, and we're going to put a path constraint and attach the camera to the path. So now when we scrub our playhead, the camera is going around the path, shooting at an object. Okay, next up I'm going to go to Top View, and I might want to just alter where that target is. Okay, so now it's staying on target and it's moving around the object. Okay, now if we take a look in what the camera sees, okay, we could switch to camera view. We can see that it's quite low. Okay, so what I'm going to do is we're going to switch back out of camera and go to perspective view, home, and from here with our spline path we're going to use a move tool and we're going to move so the camera's shooting down on the object instead of up. Okay, so let's go perspective, camera, camera. And now we can get a look at what that looks like. Looks pretty good. Okay, last thing to do here would be to render this out. So we'll go to render setup. F10 is the shortcut. We'll choose our range of frames. In this case, there's only 100 or about 3 seconds. We'll choose where to save this file. I'm going to place this in my OneDrive account. And we're going to call this Teapot Camera on path .avi. We'll hit save. We're going to use MJPEG compressor, and last thing, we're going to render this out, and it's going to render through those 100 frames with our camera around the object. Now, to make this a little bit better, we could add some lighting systems. Obviously we could use fractures, we could use modifiers, we could melt this teapot, but this is more to show how to attach a camera to a path. Let's go look at our final. Okay, it has made a file that is 3.3 megabytes. We'll click and open this in VLC player, and here's our looping camera on a path animation. This is adding a camera to a path around an object. Thank you.